Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. Today's look is a sultry nighttime look. This is a look that you would rock on a date night with your babe. If you would like to achieve this look, continue watching. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's a hot girl summer, but babe wants to spend some time too. So let's get sexy for babe, okay? As you can see, I already popped my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna move on to the foundation. But do you see that natural glowing skin? If you would like to have skin just like this, please click the link up above. So I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals foundation in the color Chai. I love this foundation because it gives me full coverage, but it's so lightweight. I like to use a brush to apply my makeup because it gives less mess, and who doesn't love less mess? Then I take my beauty blender and I just pack the foundation into my skin. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Blushed Neutrals BH Cosmetics Pallet. Golden tip here, ladies. I'm going to add tape to the corner of my eyes so I can get a clean, sharp eye look. As always, I'm going to be using my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel to prime my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be just blending in the concealer. I used to set my eyes with setting powder, but I don't anymore. Golden tip number 2, ladies. The shadows are more pigmented when you just pack them on the eyelids without setting your eyes with setting powder. The first shade I used was this plum-like color with a tad bit of shimmer. I placed this beneath the crease of my eye. Then I take this brush and blend the color up into my crease for a smoked out look. Next, I'm taking a dark chocolate colored brown and I'm going to pack it into the edge corner of my eyelids. And I'm going to be bringing it upward to create a wings look. That's what the tape is there for, to help me create the wing look. Get it? Get it? Alright, good. Now I'm just gonna blend the shade in together with the plum-like color so that it will look effortlessly, like not looking all patchy. It will look like two colors just blending in with each other. Sidebar: BH Cosmetics products are super affordable and you can find them everywhere. I will have a link of the palette in my description box below. Lastly, I've picked up a peach shimmer shade and I'm placing it on the lower lid area on top of the plum light color. So now I'm just going to be moving on to my regular routine. You know, just concealing the under eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. Regular stuff. I will be using the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer to do it. Same color, caramel. I had a tad bit fallout from the eyeshadow, so just because I did do my foundation before I did my eyes, which I rarely ever do, but in this video I did. So basically I'm just gonna put the concealer where the fallout is at and then blend in the concealer, and it's like it was never there. I had to eat my food. Like, yes, this is about to turn into makeup and mukbang. I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with the AirSpun loose face powder, and while I let that setting powder sit and bake, I'm going to conceal the rest of my face. Now, this is not my regular order or routine, like the way I apply my makeup, but today I just felt like just being different and just trying some new things. Like, you don't always have to do the same thing unless it really works for you, but sometimes I like to switch it up because there's some things that, you know, I don't know yet and I would like to learn about new methods or new routines. So I'm just trying something different. And you don't have to do it the same way. You can do it the way you normally do it. But this is just another way I tried to do my makeup today. Okay, so now that I'm done blending the concealer, I'm just going to brush away the setting powder just so I could get that out the way. And then I guess I'll add some more setting powder, you know, to the areas that I concealed. I know right now I have like a white flash bag right now. Flashback. I have a white flash right now on my skin, and it's cool because I'm gonna fix all of that, boo-boo. Don't worry. And I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette just to bring some brown, more brown to my face. So I'm going to contour, honey. Contour and bring that color back into my face. I did gain a little bit of pounds over the summer, so the beat gods know I need to contour this little chubby face. lining my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color what the hell? Oh my god, what the hell is the name of this? Copenhagen. Okay, if I'm saying it wrong, I apologize, NYX. But it is a rich, velvety, burgundy, red like purple mix, beautiful lip liner that is going to match so well with the lipstick that I use. And the lipstick that I'm going to be using is the Tartiest lip paint, and I don't have the exact color name because the sticker came off, but I will put the link in the description. I will go and really go look for it for you guys, okay, if you like this lipstick. So I'm gonna go find it and I'm gonna go put the link in the description. I'm just gonna go back in and add the same colors that I used in my eyelids, and I'm gonna put them at the bottom of my eyes, and I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. I'm gonna use this brush to just smoke out the same colors under my eyes. Okay, gotta coat them eyelashes for my falsies, so I will be using the Nars mascara in the color black, and this tubing and packaging is so cute. It looks like a little lipstick. I just be forgetting which side to open it on, but it is so cute and it works wonders. Okay, so we're almost done. I just gotta hit the final touches, which is my highlighter, and I am using the BH Cosmetics Duo Light highlighter palette, and it is so good. Like, I love this palette. It has 9 highlight shades, and I'm gonna continue to use it for the whole summer. Golden tip number 3, ladies. This BH Cosmetics palette also comes with 5 blushes. I'm going to bring this look all together, and I'm going to use my NYX Dewy setting spray, and then I am done. And that's a wrap. We've done it. A nice sultry nighttime look to go out with bae. Perfect.